Hey everybody. So this week we're going to work on the B flat green major scale. Last week we hit on F major and we added our first flat. And that first flat happened to be actually B flat, right? So let's take a look. Let's review real quick. So from F major we had F and we went up for 4 scale degrees to find our first flat. So we went F to G to A to B flat, and we found out that B was our first flat to add in. We're going to do the same thing this week for B flat. So we're going to start on B flat. We're going to count up to our next, or our fourth scale degree. So we go from B flat to C to D to E is flat. So E is our next flat that we add into the mix. So with B flat, we've got 2 flats total on the B flat major scale, and that's B flat and E flat. And if we think about it in green scale, right, well, a quick reminder of that, green scale we move up 5, down 5. Up 5, down 5, up all the way. And then now we're talking about our 9th scale degree, the top turnaround. That happens to be C natural, right? So from B flat down here, all the way up here to C natural for our top turnaround, and then we work our way back down the scale again. So if we think about it like this, it should sound like this. Cool. And real quick before we do this with the metronome and at tempo, I want to talk about this. We reviewed this a little bit last week, and we started kind of diving into the concept that's called shifting. Shifting is where we move from the rows of notes or the manuals of notes. And reminder of that, the manual here, this is the lower manual, this is all the natural keys. The upper manual we refer to is the row of keys that's all the accidentals, so all the flats and sharps. So as we're moving through this, we have kind of a different thing than we've done before. We move from the upper row to the lower row twice. One starting with the right hand, and then the next one, the E flat, being with our left hand if we're playing this alternating sticking. Cool? So let's do this with the metronome. So this one will sound like this at 72 beats per minute, just like we've been doing. Cool? We go together, and 1, 2, ready, and. All right, there's B flat major. Happy practicing, everybody.